Welcome to the new channel.
Our passion transforms a community that sees and shares all things new.
The new channel. Hashtag TNC Now.
The views, opinions, and insights expressed in the following shows are those of the host, producers, guests, and viewers. They do not necessarily reflect the position of the channel. Viewer discretion is advised.
This is Erwin.
And I am Carlo, and we are streaming from Pasig City. And welcome to Season 4, Episode 44 of Shots Fired!
Par,
Kamusta?
kamusta?
Siyempre masaya tayo today. no?
Napapansin ko, lapit mo yata sa akin ngayon, ha?
Para gusto mo magkandungan pa tayo.
Close tayo,
Pero wag
eh.
naman, pero wag
Oo,
naman.
ano.
So anong meron tayo today? I think we have a very special episode specifically today.
Yeah, very special episode kasi hindi lang tayo dalawa dito. Par,
Mm.
may special guest tayo ngayon.
Pakilala mo na sa audience natin yung guest natin.
Sige, pakilala natin. He is the owner of the Perlas ng Silangan Basketball League. Ladies and gentlemen, Christian Enzo.
Hi everyone. Good afternoon, and yeah, thank you, brothers, for having me here.
Thank you for
Sure.
joining us. No? So I know pag-uusapan natin panibagong liga, panibagong kasasabikan natin. No? Tayo naman, basta basketball, kahit anong liga yan, panunuorin natin. No? So it's
Siyempre.
very exciting. But before we discuss PSBL, why don't you tell us more about yourself? How did you get into sports to begin with?
Well, as per normal, so lahat tayo we really grew up in basketball. So I used to play ball, but not at the highest level, as we all know.
Mga MVP kami,
Yeah.
barangay namin.
MVP ako sa street namin eh. Sa kalye namin, no? Oo. Malaki yung street eh. Yeah, but then again, we grew up having basketball, and then I grew up into fitness, which is where my business is. And then, so I basically went around the country checking out supposedly fitness, and then
Okay.
I managed to check on the status of basketball in the country. So I went from Cebu to Davao to Baguio, those really faraway places, and then an idea came into light. Wherein, what if we bring in this so-called platform or a league
Okay.
to them? So that is where we came about PSBL.
Wow.
So yeah.
Interesting story, pare.
So good stuff, no? So you did mention you went to places. Syempre iba-ibang talent pool natin doon, no? So bago natin na-discover yan, were you watching the PBA? Ang mga local leagues natin bago.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So of course we started with PBA, and then we started with a lot of developmental basketball leagues that came up over the years. So UAAP, NCAA, so the normal stuff. And yeah, PCCL is also one that we followed all throughout. But of course, iba pa rin yung mga barangay level na laruan. So alam mo talagang bakbakan ng bakbakan talaga dyan. So
Ice tubig lang pinaglalabanan dito.
yes.
Litro.
Oo, 1 litro lang, away na to.
Ano ka na nun? High-end ka na nun kung litro yung pinaglalabanan. Okay.
Pare, pag nag 1.5 kayo, iba na yan.
Konyo
Oo, konyo na yan.
Speaking of the PBA, of course, nakakalikihan natin watching the PBA, no? Pero Para sa'yo, Bro Christian, sino pinaka-paborito mong player ng PBA?
All time or yung current?
Sabay na,
Sabay na.
Well, I actually played basketball because of Valdavid,
Wow.
Ginebra. So die hard tayo.
Oh.
So that's one.
Never to.
Yeah, Ginebra. Buti na lang nasa gilid ako. Yeah, but then right now there's still a lot of players. So there was an era of JJ and Kagiwa, and then now it's Scotty. So sabi ko nga, die hard ako Ginebra. So well, there's a lot of players that came around, but then I'm loyal.
Now,
Yeah.
okay yan. So,
Okay.
now that we've talked about the PBA, no, we've seen a lot of change. So, what are the biggest changes? So, mga 40 years na tayong mga nanonood ng basketball. Not to drop the age or whatever, pero
Yep.
mukha naman. Ano na nag-iba since we were in high school hanggang ngayon? Ano nakita natin na iba?
Well, I always say this, that's nag-iba, and sad to say, I have to say it, na medyo napag-iwanan na yung style of play ng bansa natin. Hence why we are doing this league. It's mainly to elevate the style of play in the country. So we have experienced so much, and sabi ko nga, puso at talento, meron tayo eh. But then, kailangan lang nating iangat yung level of play natin, which is right now we need to improve on a lot of things. Medyo isolation heavy pa rin yung mga plays natin, and yeah, not to say bad stuff about anyone, but you know, in general naman to.
So, now, I guess tying it up with the PSBL, no? So, again, marami tayong nakikita mga liga, no? How will this help in that development?
Yes. So, what we wanted to create through PSBL is, sabi ko nga, dalhin natin yung medyo elevated level ng liga sa mga barangay. So, PSBL will go to each region in the country. And then we would do a regional shows, regional events. And the top teams from the region will go to the national event. So, unlike the other leagues wherein, you go to Metro Manila and you play. So for us, tayo yung pupunta ngayon doon sa region. So we would go there, we would set up this really nice production for them, and you know, just for the youth to showcase their talent. And basically what changes is that we wanted the help of the local government unit for this.
I agree, no, to Brother Christian, kasi marami tayong mga kababayan na nasa probinsya na napakatalentadong basketball players. Yun, my brother, hindi natin alam, taga South pa siya na nakuha, di ba?
Sure,
So,
sure.
hindi naman siya, di ba? Pero, 7-time MVP, di ba?
Correct.
So, there are a lot of players na undiscovered. So, mukhang sa PSBL na sila discover pare. Diba?
Bakit hindi? So, in that, you know, how will it be different now in a developmental standpoint? I know I asked that a while ago, no? So, luluwas tayo. Gusto ko yung idea eh, naluluwas tayo, napapansin ko, even yung mga ibang mga liga natin, pag pinuntahan natin sila, dinudumog talaga.
Exactly.
Diba? Do we have coaches? Do we have other programs aside from just playing the game?
Well, yes. Sabi ko nga, we are asking a partnership with the LGU with this. So hindi lang to na ball club. But then we really want to create that connection kasi we are going there with the help of the local government unit. And aside from that, we are trying to create livelihood because what we wanted to do is aside from the basketball clinics that we're going to do with each of the region, we're also doing a lot of basketball clinics, coaching clinics, and then we will also do referee certification. So in return, this would create livelihood not just for basketball, but also for the region itself. Kasi yung mga constituent in that area would basically have another livelihood opportunity. So if they love to play ball and then they are certified referee, so hindi na tayo magkakaroon ng shortage with the referees right now because of PSBL.
Sa mga pick-up, kailangan natin yan. Sa mga pick-up game pa lang, dami ng away. Kailangan ka na ng mga referee ngayon.
So wala nang delay ng mga laro kasi, oy, nasa na si ref? Nandun pa.
Pinaparinggan mo naman yung grabe ka naman. Hindi naman totoo yan.
Sorry.
Hindi nangyayari yan. Dumadating yung referee, lasing. Hindi nangyayari yan sa atin. Hindi nangyayari.
Yung kakagising lang, no?
Kakagising lang na alimpungatan, tapos pipito agad. Okay. Maganda yung certification. So as we stand, ang ganda ng advocacy, no? I see this more as a calling. Parang it's a calling for you. It's an advocacy. That's the way I see
It is.
Am I getting that correct vibe there?
Well, it is. So, sabi ko nga, PSBL is not really just for me, but it's for everyone. It's for everyone who loves the sport of basketball and who wants to do things for basketball. So, this is not just for the youth itself, but for the whole family, because we have a lot of programs that we want to develop to the
And I
PSBL.
remember, sorry to cut you off, I remember we discussed, no, hindi lang malawak yung scope ng advocacy na to kasi may mga division siya, may mga pang mosquito.
Yes.
Tell us more about that. At kaming mga 40s and above, may lulugaran ba kami kung sakali?
Yes. Meron.
Ito
Meron.
Okay to eh. Okay.
All right. So, maybe I'll start with so we have developmental division. So a total of 6 developmental divisions. So 11 under, 13 under, 15 under, 17 under, 19 under, 21 under. And then currently, right now, we have 1 open division. Sorry, brother.
Ay,
So we have 22 above. But initially, we have the adult division, but we started to, siguro we focus on developmental
okay.
first.
Sige na, paunahin natin yung mga
Paunahin muna natin
Paunahin na
sila. Yeah,
We
but
had our time.
but exciting times ahead. But then again, sabi ko nga, we created this for the youth, so we stick by the youth, bro.
Pero bro, ilan teams na ba tayo ngayon?
So currently, we do have a total of 10 teams. 10 LGUs, which have 7 divisions. So that's a total of 70 teams in total. Yeah.
Ganda nun ah.
We are looking to add another 7 LGUs this week. Yeah.
Okay.
And so what will happen is we will divide this, working on to start with 4 regions with total of 16 teams per each category. So there's a lot of exciting games ahead for PSBL.
Wow. So you mentioned the LGUs na, no? So it's very exciting na ang ganda nung reception agad.
Yes.
Kasi I remember when we spoke 2-3 weeks ago, parang 7 pa lang yan. Ngayon parang 17 na.
Yes.
And, so why don't you invite the LGUs, no? Na gustong sumali. How will they participate? How can they be part of this?
Okay. So for the local government unit nationwide, so guys, I want to invite you to Perlas ng Silangan Basketball League Season 1. Yep. So all you have to do is to just check our page, our social media channels, so Facebook, Instagram, and all that stuff. Yep.
Ililista natin lahat sa screen.
Ililista natin lahat.
yan.
And or you can also contact me plus the email, so we'll have it all covered for you guys to contact us. And then we can go to you if you want. Kailangan lang namin ng invitation.
So, bro Christian,
Exciting.
ano yung events na incoming events ng PSBL?
Yes. So coming May 8, I want to invite everyone. Yeah, you guys will be there definitely on May 8. So we just need to confirm the time, but May 8 is our media launch and at BGC. So the name of the hotel is to be confirmed. Yeah, but it's in BGC, May 8, and save the date. So and then June 2024 is the grand opening of PSBL.
Maghahanda na tayo. Maghahanda na tayo.
Let's go.
Anyway, again, thank you. Karangalan.
Thank you.
Naandito ka. And so, I'm so excited pag may bagong liga kasi. No? Ang sarap panuurin. And maski inter-barangay, pinapanood ko.
Yes.
So, will they be able to watch this on TV?
Yes. So Not on TV, but they can watch it live on the new channel, as well as all the social media channels of PSBL.
But exciting again. Thank you, no. Pero hindi naman tayo pwedeng magtapos lang mula sa isang napakamalupit na liga. Pag-usapan na natin ang NBA.
Let's go.
Ito na.
go.
Kailangan. Kasi nagtatalo kami parati nito. Hindi kami nagkakasundo. Hindi ko nga maintindihan ba't kami friends nito eh. So, totoo lang. Actually, it's a friendship of convenience.
More than anything.
More than anything. Ilang floor lang naman yung pag-ito natin. So, sa mga viewers natin, playoffs na naman after 3-4 months of exciting basketball.
Yeah.
We're entering, Mamayo na, June, magkakaroon tayo ng champion. So, let's go around the room, isa-isahin natin. Pinag-usapan natin individual awards. Tanungin natin, baka iba yung opinion niya.
Sige.
Who is your rookie of the year? NBA rookie of the year.
Iisa lang naman
Baka
yata
naman magkamali ka pa niya.
Iisa na lang naman yata yun eh. Wala na, yun na yun. O hindi ko nasasabihin, pero yun na yun eh. Iisa lang yun eh.
So si Wemby.
Si Wemby. All the way.
Are you surprised at how good he is?
Well, I'm looking forward to what he can do more. Yeah, I think we already expect him to be this good.
21 points per game lang naman. No?
Yeah.
Mababa. 12 rebounds lang naman.
12 rebounds.
Mababa.
3 blocks per game lang naman.
Yung blocks, mababa.
Para kung 7-3 ka naman, dapat siguro...
pag hindi niya nagawa yan, siguro may pag-uusapan tayo din.
I guess, no, I don't know your thoughts about it. Any of you can answer. Are you impressed on how his agility is? Parang tayo kasi sa Pilipinas, pag nung lumaki tayo pag may 5'10 na, uy, sentro ka, sa gitna ka lang, doon tayo nasanay eh.
I don't wanna say it, you said it earlier.
Mali ba ako?
Yeah.
Mali ba ako? Yung mga nilalaroan natin nung bata tayo, walang bubong. Solar boys tayo, but before, yung kakulangan ng big man natin dito, nasanay tayo na tumayo lang.
Yes.
Wemby, his agility, your thoughts?
Well, I'm surprised, and sabi ko nga, I'm glad that a lot of these tall players are very agile. So I think it's something then that hopefully we can have in the country. Not that hopefully ganun kataas, di ba? Yeah, but then the 5'10 guys now knows how to dribble, knows how to shoot. So normal na ngayon yung 5'10, 6 who's very agile. So hopefully we can have someone as tall as probably Junmar or more, the 6'8", 6'9" guys.
At least marami.
At least marami. Oh, yes. So,
pingi lang na.
Pa-isa-isa lang, di ba?
Pa-isa-isa lang. Ayun yung sentro natin, parating na. Oh, wow. Okay. No question about that. Diretso na natin. MVP natin.
Well, it's hard to... I would go with someone parang...
Who do you think is our MVP and this season?
This is hard because I'm looking at this guy, Luka, and hopefully SGA.
Okay.
That guy is special.
Galing, no?
Galing.
Sobrang galing. So, napag-usapan namin earlier, no? Paano napadpad si SGA? So, kung hindi natin nakakaalam, Kawhi was with Toronto and they were trying to move Paul George sana to Toronto. And ang condition ni Kawhi to go to the Clippers was makuha si Paul George from OKC. So, ang binitawan ng Clippers para makuha si Paul George, si SGA. So, ngayon, nagsisisi ba sila? Malalaman natin by the end of the season. Pagkakaalaman. I don't think they knew na ganito pala kalupit si SGA.
Pero may chismis.
Sige.
Yan sabi ni Doc Rivers noong time na yun.
Naniniwala ka naman kay Doc Rivers? Diyos ko naman, ano ba? Mali-mali nire-reseta nun eh.
sabi daw niya sa Clippers, wag bitawan si SGA. Pero
siya yung binitawan.
Siya yung nabitawan.
Si Doc Rivers yung nabitawan. Okay naman yung Milwaukee
Okay naman.
Tama lang.
Sakto lang.
Number 2 sa West.
Number 3.
Kasi New York in number 2.
New York.
Wala na. Malabo na to. Congratulations to the Boston Celtics for being the Eastern Conference champion.
Yes.
Dinideklara ko na, Miami ka pa rin? Tumigil ka nga.
Parang hindi tayo
Oh, kidding aside, so I guess our MVPs would revolve around Luka, SGA, and the
Jokic.
Joker.
Yeah.
So pinag-usapan natin yung East. Who do you think will take the East?
Oh, Celtics. No
Sir?
question.
Miami.
No question.
Hindi ko talaga naintindihan ba't kami magkaibigan ito.
Kaya talaga, you have to believe on your team.
Okay, kasi malakas si Hakes.
Hakes.
Si Hakes. Si Jaime Hakes. I don't know, man, but wala. It's hard to go against the Celtics right now. But again, I think everybody will go through the West anyway. But in a Eastern Conference perspective, I go for the Celtics. Tatum, Jaylen Brown. Malakas talaga. Halimaw na.
It's
Nag-matured na yung team eh.
They're not the same team a few years back.
Yeah, 2 years back. Yeah.
So parang sila, lahat talaga gawin na nila for this season.
Okay. So, sabihin natin, sila na yung magcha-champion. Sino yung papalagman lang? Papalagman lang. Maka 4-1 man lang sa finals.
Denver.
Wala di ba?
Nasa akin Denver pa rin.
Hindi. Nasa East Coast pa lang tayo. Sa East Coast. Relax ka lang. Mamaya tayo sa ano.
Sorry.
Sinong papalag? Feeling ko baka pumalag ang, para sa akin Orlando.
Oh, yeah.
Nagulat tayo ng
Orlando is, actually, personally nagulat ako eh.
Nakagulat na, di ba?
Yeah.
Sure.
Miami ka pa rin? Oh, sige. Okay lang.
Wala.
Text mo na lang ako pagtalo na.
Yep. But then when you go that deep in the playoffs, then I think the maturity of Celtics would really prevail.
Sure.
Yeah.
But are they the surprise team of the East? Can we all agree?
I
Maybe
agree.
the Orlando Magic was
The Magic.
Okay. Ay, nagkasundo tayong tatlo. Yay! Magkasundo tayo. Going to the West, okay, this is a little tougher. We could even go as low as the seeding.
Okay.
Ang tanong muna, ang magic question natin, aabot man lang ba na 7-8 ang Lakers at saka Golden State? Ikaw muna.
O sa akin, mukhang aabot ng...
Pareho.
Yes.
No.
Me too.
Yes.
Ang bisita natin.
Me too.
Marunong yung bisita natin.
Me too.
Hindi ko gusto yung
I would agree.
Okay. Bakit bakit?
Ikaw.
Ay, di, syempre hindi.
Okay.
Syempre hindi. I think tapos na. I think they're done. They're just done. I think eventually Klay Thompson will be in Orlando next year. I think that's what's going to happen. Masyadong malakas para sa akin yung Sacramento para sa Golden State. Tapos yung Lakers naman, wala, inconsistent talaga eh. Inconsistent talaga. Yun lang naman akin.
Yung sa akin, first of all, sa Lakers, ang lakas ni D'Angelo Russell ngayon.
Ngayon lang yan, par. Contract year kasi.
Yung tinitignan nila ngayon.
Tama naman.
Tinitignan nila ngayon yung consistency niya sa playoffs. Kasi doon siya tumitirik. Tumitirik siya.
Hanggang dito lang kasi.
Hanggang lang kaya niya.
Pero, for LeBron as a 38-year-old guy, doing that kind of stats, it's unbelievable, di ba?
Magaling naman talaga.
Magaling pa rin.
Okay, sige. Kasi feeling ko, gusto ko yung opinion ni Perk nung, I think a couple of weeks back, to facilitate a trade for the Lakers to bring him back to Cleveland. And Cleveland eventually picks Bronny.
Yes.
And he has his farewell tour. That is a good story that I think magandang abangan.
That would be a good
magandang kwento.
To a legacy.
Kwento.
Yeah.
Diba? Pero ang importanteng tanong, who do you think will come out of the West? Let's end the show. Who will win? Sino makakalaban ng Celtics sa finals?
Well, I would go with Denver. Yeah.
And they will eventually win?
That would be hard. I would still go with Celtics.
Anyway.
Sorry.
Mag-sorry ka sa kanya. Okay.
Sorry.
Celtics in how many games?
6.
Celtics is 6.
Okay.
6.
Partner.
Nuggets.
Okay. Against the Heat? 4-0 kung ganun.
4-1.
4-0 bro. Ay, 4-1 kasi magre-reklamo si Joker sa parada.
Kailangan
yung parada kaya uwi sila maaga. Hindi nagbago since the start of the season. I think Denver will go back-to-back. bumalik na silang lahat. Jamal Murray is back. They're just too consistent. I'm not even saying they're too good. They're just too consistent. Yung Phoenix, sabi nila, ito na. Ito dang alin. Bradley Beal hasn't been doing much.
Yeah.
We're still worried about OKC and Minnesota. As good as they are, but they're still a young team.
They're still young.
I think gone of the days na yung talaga super team eh. Kasi nakikita natin yung mga binubuo ni Durant. It doesn't really...
Tapos na.
Diba? It doesn't really...
Wala na. What I see now, I see two things. I see the European players really dominating the league talaga. Kasi I arguably the top 3 players of the league, Joker, Luka, and Giannis
are
the best ones. Luka siguro in a year or two mag-MVP. But at the end of the day, I'm looking more of a youth movement. Napapansin ko yung mga bagets yung pumapalag. To Orlando Magic. Siyempre, iayabang ko na yung Houston ko, pumapalag na ng konti. Konti na, pero yung mga bagets, I think are getting it done. No?
Yeah.
But in any case, dude, quality 30 minutes. Thank you so much
for
joining us.
Thank you.
We're so excited about guys, the PSBL. Trust me. Marami na tayong ligang pinapanood, pero I've spent some time with Christian talking about the vision here, the advocacy here. So I think this is worth supporting. So excited for the media day and the opening. Yep. So thank you so much.
Thank you
guys. Sa mga ka-shots fired natin, please drop your messages, drop your comments, like, subscribe. Again, yung mga LGUs na gustong mag-participate, ipopost natin sa screens nyo para paano ako maka-reach out. Thank you so much. See you guys next week sa Shots Fired. Appreciate it.
See you guys.
Thank you.